So the first lab is hijack a session using Z attack proxy. So on Windows 10 browser, set 10.10.10.19 as proxy. On Windows 2019, install ZAttack proxy and set the proxy IP as 10.10.10.19. And again, on go back to Windows 10 machine, connect to moviescope.com. On Windows 19 machine, observe that OS Zap has begun to capture the requests on the victim machines on the break tab. So go to the break tab of the Zap tool, modify moviescope.com to goodshopping.com in all the captured get request and click run to forward the traffic to the victim's machine. Modify every HTTP request captured by OWASP Zap until you see goodshopping.com page in the victim's machine. The victim has navigated to moviescope.com but now sees goodshopping.com. While the address bar displays moviescope.com, the window displays goodshopping.com. Change the proxy settings back to default settings on the Windows 10, and this ends the lab. So the next lab is intercept HTTP traffic using BetterCap. So launch BetterCap minus iface ETH0 on Parrot. Type .net type net.probe on and press enter. This module that is net.probe will send different types of probe packets to each IP in the current subnet of the net.recon module to detect them. I will repeat. This module will send different types of probe packets to each IP in the current subnet for the net.recon module to detect them. Type net.recon on and press enter. This module is responsible for periodically reading the system ERP table to detect new hosts on the network. Note that note the net.recon module displays the detected active IP address in the network. In real time, this module will start sniffing network packets. Type set net.sniff.regular expression dot star password is equal to dot plus and press enter. This module will only consider the packet sent with a payload matching with the given regular expression, in this case password. So we are trying to filter password message among all the messages that will be captured. So you can observe that the better cap starts sniffing network traffic on the target machine window 10. Now switch to Windows 10 virtual machine. Open any web browser. Type moviescope.com in the address bar and press enter. On the Moviescope website, enter any credentials. In this example, SAM test, and enter to login. Switch to Parrot Security Virtual Machine. You can observe the details of both the browsed website and credentials obtained in the plain text as shown in the screenshot. Note, to use BetterCap to sniff for network traffic from HTTPS based websites, you must enable the SSL strip module by issuing the command set http.proxy.ssl strip to true. So by setting the SSL strip module to true, you can also perform man in the middle attack for HTTPS based websites. So the next lab is so detect section hijacking using Wireshark. So I mean we can continue the same lab that we used in the previous lab, that is using BetterCap, and we can capture on the Wireshark, and we can see that on Wireshark there will be lots and lots of ERP broadcast requests to the host. A high number of ERP requests indicates that the system 10.10.10.13, the attacker system, is acting as a client for all the IP address in the subnet, which means that all the packets from the victim node will go to the host system and then the gateway. Similarly, any packet destined for the victim node is first forwarded from the gateway to the host and then from host system to the victim node. This concludes the demonstration of how to detect a session hijacking using Wireshark. Basically, we can see a lot of ARP request messages.